Ooh, whoa, look at that body. Ooh, got straight to the car. Boy, listen, boy, y'all gonna have a problem when this thing come out. Gotta give big props to this guy right here, bro. And this guy. Big props, man. Look at the body. Factory. Stop playing, man. It's a video update on the 2019 E450 Coupe. Yes, sir. Ooh, woo. I can see me now. Wow. Yeah, a nice little walk around. All these gentlemen work. You see, when you do a stance like that, you know what you're doing. Trying to get that right tape. Look. Ooh. Look at that body line, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. That's what you call body work. Look at that body line, bro. If that don't flow like factory, I don't know what to do. Definitely. I will shout out the shop, but they don't want no extra work. I ain't never hear that, but they got too much. Great work, man. Appreciate these guys.
Okay. This thing got bodywork everywhere. Doors, quarter panel, right around top of the panel, next quarter panel, lower, right around, next door, big damage. The hood, in the front of the hood, big dent. On the trunk.
What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another one. This the finishing pieces of the car. Just got painted. It's a little dirty and dusty, but boy, when I tell you, they did a magnificent job. I can't wait for y'all to see the final stages. I'm waiting on a few parts from Mercedes. Paint the whole car. Y'all see it in person, you know. Let me know y'all seen it's locked. Let me know y'all seen the videos and want to get a close up on it. I have no problem with that. But definitely came out great. You know, they got a few more touches and things to do to it, but overall it's beautiful. Can't wait to see y'all in person. Y'all just do a look around and y'all do see me. You know, good or bad, don't matter. You know what I'm saying? I accept everything.